Alright guys, today we're going to be trying out a new type of cutting board, and it's made of, let's find out, stainless steel. So this stainless steel is supposed to be a lot easier to clean and cut. Let's give it a try. Alright guys, we're going to be chopping up some jalapenos, some onion, and some cilantro here, and some limes. We're going to be making tacos tonight. So let's start off with the cilantro. And so far so good. I kind of do like the feeling of this cutting board. You know, it's pretty sturdy and heavy duty. But yeah, so far so good. We're going to go ahead and try an onion next. So let's go ahead and dice this up. The cutting board, they have different sizes. You know, I have the smaller size cutting board. But for this is perfect, just for, like, you know, just us and the family. So don't really need a giant cutting board. I have bigger ones for that. But let's dice up some jalapenos, because, you know, if you're going to be making tacos, you got to have fresh jalapenos. I like having fresh jalapenos because of the crunch. It just goes really well with the tacos. If you've never tried it, I recommend you try it, dude. What are you waiting for? All right, so chopped up some limes on here. And yeah, you know, I was cleaning the board in between, and dude, rinsing it off is just quick and easy, and I did like it. So I'd say the cutting board is a win. So I'm cooking this, you know, all these meats on my Blackstone here, and we have pastor, we have the chicken, and then we have the beef, of course. Beef is my favorite. Northgate sells this one, but yeah, I also cook some jalapenos on the Blackstone. I'll eat jalapenos raw and cooked. So once these tacos are nicely cooked, we're going to go ahead and throw our tortillas on there. But yeah, this taco meat on here is going to take maybe about 10-15 minutes and you're done. I have everything separated. Tortillas are ready to go. And I like to do single tortilla on my tacos because of the carbs, you know, a little bit less carbs. So let's go. Let's get all these tortillas off. We're going to assemble one of each, and we're going to give these tacos a try. Ready for some tacos?
Oh.